In this video, you'll learn how to claim Alpine tokens on the Binance Alpine Race. This process will guide you through accessing the event, completing necessary activities, and successfully claiming your tokens once the event concludes. To start, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the events or rewards section on the main dashboard. In this section, find the Alpine Race campaign. It is essential to review the eligibility and participation rules outlined for this specific event. Alpine races are often time limited, so ensure your account meets all necessary qualifications before proceeding. Next, follow the instructions provided on the event page. This may include tasks such as trading or staking specific cryptocurrencies. It is important to complete these activities within the designated event window. You can track your progress directly from the event page to ensure you are meeting all requirements. Be mindful of the campaign rules, as some rewards may be rank-based, and completing all conditions accurately is vital for qualifying for rewards. After the event has concluded, you will need to claim your Alpine tokens. To do this, revisit the event page where you initially participated. Once there, look for the option to claim your tokens. After you have initiated the claim, check your wallet to verify that the tokens have been credited. In many cases, rewards may be distributed automatically, but it is still prudent to review the distribution timeline provided on the event page. Once you've confirmed that the tokens are in your wallet, you will have the option to either hold or trade them based on your strategy. It is advisable to save records of your participation and the tokens received for future reference. This documentation can be useful for tracking your investments and understanding your performance in the event. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.